Secret Lab recently released the Titan Evo 2022. In this video, we're gonna do a full unboxing and show you everything that's inside. Hey guys, it's Ryan with btodd.com. We've had a bunch of requests lately to take a look at the brand new Secret Lab Titan Evo 2022. So we went ahead, we ordered one, it was recently delivered. I'm just gonna go through a simple unboxing here just to start things out, go through everything, show you what's inside so that you know what to expect when the chair arrives to you. So one thing that you'll notice right away is that the box is quite a bit different than most office chair boxes. Gaming chair companies love to kind of dress up their box, make you have a nice warm fuzzy feeling inside because the box is actually pretty cool, especially compared to most office chair companies. So we'll just go ahead and open it here. One thing that I do really like about Secret Lab chairs, when you order one, the instructions come on this huge board. So there's really no way to lose it. It's not gonna get folded up or ruined if you spill on it. And it's really easy to read all the instructions, just kind of follow everything through. So that's one thing that is super cool. So you will get one of these with your chair. And then also a user manual. This just goes through how to clean it, some mechanical components, what to do, what not to do in terms of safety. Pretty standard with a lot of chairs. Secret Lab has that as well. And we'll just start going through here. So got some foam protecting the top. Looks like the first major piece is the backrest. How do we get this out here? Whoop! Just pull it out, okay. Wrapped in a plastic bag, that's nice to protect it. Set this over here. Just gonna put the garbage on this side. Some cardboard. What do we got here? Ooh, the new magnetic pillow. No straps needed. Sticks to the back of the headrest, or the back of the backrest, I should say. Some more foam inserts. I will say that Secret Lab does have very good packaging. Ton of foam inside, and they do even mention this, I believe on the box right here, that all of their chairs have a 5-foot drop test. So they do put some time and effort into making sure your chair is not going to be damaged. What do we have here? Arm pads, each with their own case. It's kind of cool. Never seen that before. Ton more foam. What do we got? What do we have in this box? Looks like we've got basically all the hardware, casters, cylinder. Nicely, neatly packaged. I will say that all this packaging is definitely very cool. I'm not sure how necessary it is, and it definitely increases the cost of the overall chair because this is definitely gonna be some of the most expensive packaging that I've seen probably on any chair, and it might be a little bit overkill in my opinion. But it does help to ensure that your chair is not gonna be damaged. Base, also nicely wrapped in plastic. That's a great sign. Avoid some scuffs and dings in shipping. What do we got here? Ooh, the mech. Okay, so there's gonna be quite a bit of assembly involved because you're putting together everything all the way down to the mech. So we'll do the assembly in a later video and find out for you guys how long it actually takes. That's not a great sign. Got some grease dripping on the mech here. Not sure what that is from. Okay, so it looks like the final piece we have in here is going to be the seat. Again, with a ton of foam. Some bubble wrap on the arms. And then again, protected with plastic. So that's pretty much gonna be everything included. I'll get all the plastic removed here and give you a nice final shot of all of the components and everything inside the box. Okay, so This is gonna be basically everything that you're gonna get. All the parts, all the components, the instructions, and as you can see, you're gonna have quite a bit of packaging to dispose of. So keep that in mind. It's probably gonna be close to a normal dumpster full for residential dumpsters, but that's gonna be our unboxing, showing you everything that comes with the Secret Lab Titan Evo 22. Stick around, make sure to subscribe because we are gonna do a full assembly on this in the next video.